Hi, my name is Kaylee Barasa, and this is my informative speech on Rafflesia arnoldii. Rafflesia arnoldii, also known as the corpse flower, produces the largest individual flower in the world. Some other common names for this plant are stinking corpse lily and giant podma. This plant is part of the parasitic genus Rafflesia within the family Rafflesiaceae. This genus is commonly known for its unique characteristics, including its size and strong odors. In this family, there are also these parasitic flowers called rhizanthes. This genus includes about 4 other species and is known for its unique pollination strategy. And Cyprea. This genus consists of 1 or 2 species. Rafflesia is considered an endangered plant because of its rarity and challenge to grow in captivity. This flower emits a foul odor resembling rotting flesh. The strong scent is caused by a release of a putrid aroma that contains sulfurous compounds that mimic the smell of the decaying meat. This smell attracts insects like carrion flies, fooling them into believing this flower is a carcass, so it will visit and lay eggs. This flower is difficult to grow in cultivation because of its specific parasitic requirements and is only visible once fully bloomed. After the flower has bloomed, it is only alive for about a week until it starts to wilt and rot. Rafflesia arnoldii can grow up to 1 meter in diameter and can weigh up to 24 pounds. This flower has a reddish-brown color with white spots. It emerges from the ground like a large cabbage-like bud that can grow to about 30 centimeters wide. It has 5 large lobes that are a testament to its extraordinary size and structure. The lobes are part of the plant's design, including a central orb covered with spikes. These 5 lobes also play a role in attracting pollinators. The central orb that is covered with spikes is known as the central floral chamber. This chamber has a circular opening at the top that resembles a planetarium. This opening is so large that it is almost big enough for an infant to crawl inside comfortably. Within the chamber, there is a disc covered in spikes that are referred to as processes by botanists, although their exact function. This chamber is not known to have any specific function. Rafflesia arnoldii is native to the rainforest of Sumatra and Borneo and is the national flower for Indonesia. This flower is a holoparasite. This means it is a type of obligate parasite that lives entirely within the host's plant, typically a vine of the genus Tetrastigma. This means the flower lacks chlorophyll and is unable to perform photosynthesis. The flower also lacks leaves, stems, and roots to obtain nutrients and water. Interestingly, this plant plays a unique and crucial role in its ecosystem by controlling its own host plant population, providing food for pollinators and seed dispersers, and acting as a food source itself. The flower emits a strong and unpleasant odor that resembles decaying flesh, attracting carrion-feeding insects like flies and beetles, which are essential for the plant's pollination. Rafflesia flowers are unisexual, which means that both the male and female flowers must always bloom simultaneously for pollination to occur. The flower can also generate heat to help its scent be able to travel further, increasing the chances of pollinators. During pollination, the carrion flies will visit to lay their eggs. During this time, the flies will transfer pollen from male to female flowers. This is necessary for the plant to produce seeds. After the flower develops into a fruit, it contains hundreds of thousands of tiny seeds that have an oily appendage that attracts ants. In Thailand, these buds of Rafflesia are occasionally eaten as a delicacy by indigenous people and sometimes fed to pigs, elephants, some bird species, and squirrels, as well as other rodents. These flowers are collected for herbal medicines for postpartum recovery. The buds and the flowers are believed to help with regulating hormones and promoting overall health healing after childbirth. Wound healing. Some practices use the buds to stop internal bleeding and speed up the healing process. Fever relief. The flowers are sometimes consumed to help with fevers and anti-inflammatory properties. It is believed that the plant has anti-inflammatory effects that can alleviate joint pain and arthritis symptoms. Although this flower has many benefits for your health, there are also health risks because of the presence of tannins and phenols, which may have toxic properties. Some of these health risks are digestive issues. Consuming this plant can cause gastrointestinal distress, like vomiting and oral irritation. Skin irritation. Direct contact with certain parts of this plant can cause skin irritation because of the presence of irritant crystals. And medicinal misuse. This plant is popular and often harvested for its medicinal properties, but can lead to overuse and potential toxicity. Deforestation for agriculture, especially oil palm plantations, is a big threat to Rafflesia arnoldii and is disrupting their habitats. This is the primary cause of declines in many populations because deforestation is damaging the only life source these plants have. A study shows that nearly all areas of Indonesia, Borneo, are being affected by forest fires because of human activity. These activities are leading to dry peatlands that are highly flammable and will easily ignite during dry seasons. The fire can also spread underground, making it hard to extinguish. Climate change and erratic rainfall patterns are also contributors to the dry conditions that fuel these fires. Other factors like limited success of propagation in captivity, poaching for medicinal uses, and low pollination rates due to scattered single-sex flowers. This plant is also vulnerable because of its highly restricted distribution. Thank you.